All right, well, we're gonna hop in the market here.
Order filled.
We'll enter it here, and I bought
Order
MNQ.
filled.
Calculated risk, calculated risk. What's up, guys? This is day number 2 of my TopStep funded account. Yesterday, we took a $511 loss. Wasn't the best, but you know what? We'll climb back from that, absolutely. A few things that I want to go over with. Yeah, I took some good losses, but I definitely could have been more patient and looked for a higher confidence because we just missed that move. Like it was so close. So I'm gonna try to not do that today. Yeah, so only looking for A+ setups. The only other note that I have for today is trade with the trend. Obviously not trading against my trend. I think I did a pretty good job of that yesterday. Simply not trading against my bias. And then what else? The Discord is live. A lot of people are joining. I'm actually live streaming this right now, so I don't know if anyone has joined yet, but it's currently up. You guys are pushing me. I'm at 80 subscribers already in 2 weeks. I just want to thank you guys a lot for that. Like that's wicked. I didn't think I would be this far in 2 weeks, that's for sure. All right, well, without any more yapping, let's get right to it. Let's do some market analysis. Weekly bias. I gotta write this down. Just gonna burn this in my head. It's gonna be the exact same thing over and over and over and over and over again. So number 1, weekly bias. Number 2, daily bias. Number 3, 1 hour key levels. Number 4 is 15-minute target areas, SMTs. I bumped that up a little bit more recently. It used to be in number 6, right behind 1 hour liquidity sweep, but I think it holds a little bit more importance if I'm being honest. SMT 6, 1 hour liquidity sweep, 1 to 5 minute sniper entry. All right, we got the shit all written down again. Okay, let's go over everything again. What is our weekly bias? We are bullish, right? And the only reason we are bullish is we broke a recent high. Okay. That is why we are bullish. What are we on the daily chart? Most likely the same. Yeah, we are. Right, we broke this recent high. And we have quite the break of structure and change of character in the daily chart. Let's look at our 1 hour key levels. Where are we targeting? Like right here and here. I thought that was here, but no, not that one. Here, down here, that's what we're looking at. Anything previous? Okay, hard sell off before all this. Right there. We're going to be looking for a move to the upside, preferably on these 2 levels, but if we manage to catch a full move, that would be ridiculous but great. Number 4, 15-minute target areas. Let's take a look. 15-minute target areas. They line up, line up, line up. And then that price action way down there is a little too jumbled. Far back. I mean, not jumbled. Yeah, see, it's way back here. There's no real target area because it's just a hard sell-off after that. What's up, Finley? Welcome to the stream. 15-minute target area is down. Okay, let's look for a 15-minute SMT. Do we see an SMT? Not quite, if I'm being honest. I mean, maybe a little bit right here. We can't really call that a low. Could possibly say that's right here. Like, look at this, you guys. We call that an SMT? I mean, I consider this a low. I mean, it makes a big low here and then comes up and then a second low, like within the 15-minute time frame. So I guarantee you there's going to be an SMT on the 5-minute, and there is. This is what our SMT looks like. We have a bullish SMT. Nice. Okay, well, I'm actually going to mark out my target areas on MES. So we're going to go through everything. I don't need to do my bias because it's going to be the same. I'll just go through my 1 hour key levels then. Another inverse here. Okay, so these guys got quite the inverses. If we can draw down into this 5-minute inverse, because it's also a 5-minute, created a fair value gap within there too. So if we can get a drawdown to this inverse, I mean, we do have a fair value gap right here, but I would like for this to get broken just because it's on such a low time frame, the 1 minute. So if we see it get disrespected here, come down into this inverse, if we see a change of character and a break of structure, I will be targeting something like this from the previous low and then just to the top side here. We have that SMT, which is beautiful. Like, we want to see that continue to the upside. And then yeah, they're looking super bullish. Everything. Look at this price action up here. Super bullish. So if we can see it draw back, that would be, this might be our entry. This could possibly be our entry. Like a break of the highs here, a continuation upward, and then, yeah, like just continue upward. All right, well, we're gonna hop in the market here.
Order filled.
And we did it again, man. Okay, well, I'm gonna go MNQ. I'm gonna wait for that one. That's embarrassing.
Order filled.
Okay, risk is a little bit much on that inverse. And there's our take profit. Wait, this might come back to remember is the one tick one. Oh yeah, that was crazy. If you guys haven't seen that video, that was wild. I had one of the craziest turnarounds I've ever seen in a trade, and I recorded it. It was by one tick. You guys, that's one tick. Hold on. Look at this. Look at this. Look at that.
Order filled.
Order filled. Okay, with that sloppy entry, I think I'm gonna take one more risk of $317. If we get a candle close above this high right here, I think I'm gonna enter with a bullish engulfing candle. And then our stops would be below this low right here in the SMT. And then we would just target this high. We're gonna wait for a little bit of a pullback, then enter. We'll enter right here. And I bought
Order
MNQ.
filled.
There we are. Okay guys, I think that's kind of it for today's stream. I just want to thank you guys very much for coming out. Thank you for coming to today's stream. Thanks for watching the video. I'll include some screenshots or stuff of the trade that plays out. Good stream, you guys. Thanks for attending who did, and I will see you guys in the next video and next stream.